Hello, my name's Dave. In Year 8, you met transformations and words like reflection, rotation, enlargement, and translation. Do you remember? A sloping line will involve moving from one corner along the x-axis back to the other corner along the y-axis. A vector describes the movement between the 2 points using the numbers that we found from the x and y axis. If you move forward along the x-axis, the figure is given a positive value. If you move backwards, it is given a negative value. If you move up the y-axis, it's given a positive value. If you move down the y-axis, it's given a negative value. Okay? So any straight line can be given a vector, A or B or C. If the same line is drawn backwards, then the vector will be a negative value of that same letter. If the same line is drawn at twice the length, then the vector is twice the value of that same letter. Okay? Any straight line in a different direction will be given a different vector letter. The other rules applying just the same. Here we have 2 lines, A to B and A to C, with their vectors. We are being asked to work out the vector of B to C. Look at the diagram. You can go from B to A and from A to C to get the line BC. Remember that B to A is a reverse of the vector. Don't be scared of exam questions. Do what you can, because anything will give you marks. Read the question carefully. There's loads of information in the writing. The information tells me that the line is divided in the ratio of 3 to 1, 4 parts. The question's asking about one part, but notice that that one part is going backwards from R to Q.